If your kid has been using AI to make videos on their YouTube channel and getting views, but then getting stuck after that, then this video is for you. AI is everywhere and it's so easy for kids to just simply go to a website and generate a video or a B-roll that is interesting to capture people's attention. And when you post that video up onto the channel, it's easy to get views, but there is no stickiness. You could see a few jump in subscriber count, but then you will realize that these subscribers doesn't come back to your channel anymore, and you will find that your following videos doesn't have as many views as before. And then your kid will go through this weird feeling of like, why can't I get that result before? I've done it before and I'm doing the same thing again. See, the thing about using AI videos is that it's a bit of a novelty. At the end of the day, your subscribers still want to get to know you so that there is a storyline that they can follow. They want to know who is the creator behind those videos. So when kids use AI constantly to make those videos without having a personality, what will end up is that their videos could get a lot of views, but they can't go further than that. They don't have a community. When they pivot to another channel, they don't get the same results and they're disappointed. So if your kid is at this stage and they're getting stuck and you want to help them, then join my free 1-month YouTube program where I teach you how to navigate around telling a story with your own personality.